Okay, we are loading up to go to Dakota Outdoor Bike and Fitness in Aberdeen, South Dakota. Would like to get a receiver hitch bike rack for this so I don't have to keep laying it down in the bed of my pickup, but it'll have to do for now. We'll see what they say about this bad boy. Looks like an original tire on there, and a different tire on this one. It says it's gator skin. There is still air in that, so I don't know, maybe 2 new tires, who knows. I'll go get the spare and throw that in as well, and hopefully they can get me fixed up and on my way. All right, here in Aberdeen, South Dakota at Dakota Outdoor. Dakota Outdoor Bike and Fitness. Dropped off the bike, and he told me the front tire was bald completely, which is why it was losing air. And the spare I brought that I was given when I purchased it was the same, so that was no good. So he's replacing the front. The back one is all right. He's gonna match it with that, as he had one on hand. And I'm upgrading pedals while I'm here too, so let's go check out and see if he's close to being done.
As long as they're okay with the dirty shop.
Yeah. All right, boys and girls, there she is, all fixed up. New tire on the front. He said, do you want it to match the back? I see you got a Continental there. So he had one on hand, and he stuck a Continental tire on there with the tube, and he just forgot to put back on the plastic cap cover on there. So I called to see about it, and he said, yeah, we got plenty. So I'll stop in Saturday, tomorrow, and grab one. He said he can ride it without. I just get nervous a rock or something's gonna fly up into it, but should be all right otherwise. So we're up and going again. I took the chance to upgrade the pedals here. I wasn't sure if I wanted to clip in or not, so he recommended these. It's a Shimano, where I have to insert the grommets on the outside edge for more grip yet. But you can wear your regular shoe there, or when I'm ready to buy clip-in shoes, you can turn that over and clip in, so you get more power on the backside, on the pull and the push. And excited about that, because what was on here before was pretty much like a standard stock plastic looking pedal, really cheap. So excited to get back out on this again. I don't know if I have time today, probably not, and I'll be gone tomorrow, but maybe Sunday or Monday. I do got to get it out at least a couple more times here and get on some rides before next week's sprint triathlon. And then I do want to get it back into the bike shop there and just get it serviced, cleaned up, tuned up, and looked over, ready to roll, because I was in a hurry yesterday and he got me in and out of there while helping other customers. It did take a while for a short job, but very happy with that. And I'm ready to get on this thing and go. Thanks for tuning in.